Hello, YouTube. This is a review on how painful this little airsoft gun is. We will demonstrate for you. Make it sure it's BB.
I don't want to do this. I do it this side. Oh, frick.
It's on safety.
It is? What is? 5. Ow! Ah! Ah!
Where's the mark?
It's somewhere like right around there.
Can't really see it on
I
your
know.
hand.
It takes a second for it to.
Well,
No, you shoot yourself now.
airsoft.